Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to make stew fish Trini-style. First, begin by thoroughly cleaning your chosen fish, such as kingfish or snapper. Season it generously with a vibrant blend of green seasoning, salt, and black pepper. Allow the fish to marinate for at least 30 minutes, or even longer if you have the time, to ensure maximum flavor absorption. This initial step is crucial for a truly authentic taste. Next, we'll create the rich stew base. In a pot, heat about 2 tablespoons of oil and add 1 teaspoon of brown sugar. Allow it to caramelize until it turns a deep amber color, but be careful not to burn it. Then, add your finely chopped onions, garlic, and pimento peppers, sautéing them until they become fragrant. Stir in some tomato paste and a little water to form a flavorful sauce. Now it's time to add the star of the dish. Carefully place your marinated fish pieces into the simmering stew base. Make sure each piece is partially submerged in the sauce. Cover the pot and allow it to cook gently for about 10 to 15 minutes. The goal is for the fish to be fully cooked and tender, but not overcooked, maintaining its delicate texture and absorbing all those wonderful flavors. Finally, for the perfect finish, garnish your delicious Trini stew fish with a sprinkle of fresh chopped chives or cilantro. This adds a lovely burst of color and freshness. Serve this hearty and flavorful dish hot, traditionally alongside steamed rice, boiled provisions like dasheen or green banana, or even dumplings. Enjoy the rich, comforting, and truly authentic taste of this beloved Caribbean meal.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.